Good day, everyone. This is Ruana Mayrez, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will going to discuss about conic section. Conic section, or simply conic, is a curve formed when a plane intersects a right circular cone or double knot cone. And these are the basic conic section. We have hyperbola, circles, ellipse, and parabola. And as you can see in the illustration, these are the conic sections looks like. And degenerate conic is also one of the conic section. But this conic is the result when the plane does pass through the vertex. And degenerate conics looks like this. As you can see, there are pass through the vertex. So how are we able to identify the conics? So in identifying conics, we use this general form. We have ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. And this is the discriminant formula. We have b squared minus 4ac. And this discriminant will be able to determine of what types of conics do we have, if it is parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, or a circle. So in order for you to find out of what type of conic it is, so we have here the discriminant. If the discriminant is equal to 0, it means it is a parabola. If the discriminant is greater than 0, it means it is a hyperbola. And if the determinant is less than 0 and neither b is not equal to 0 or a is not equal to c, it is an ellipse. And if the determinant is less than 0, wherein b is equal to 0 and a is equal to c, it means the type of conics is circle. And now let's try this example. We have 2x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So since our example is already in general form, we need to find the value of a, b, and its c. And now this is the value of our a, b, and c, wherein our a is equal to 2 under the 2x squared, and our b is 0 because since we don't have value of b, the input there is 0. And for our c, we have 1 since our y squared is 1. And let's go and find its discriminant value. So using the formula b squared minus 4ac by substitution, we have 0 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1. It is equal to negative 8. So since our negative 8 is less than 0 and a is not equal to c, therefore this conics or type of conics is an ellipse. Okay, so how about this example? We have x squared plus 2x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. First, we need to find its a, b, and c. So we have here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 0. So since it's already in standard form, we can simply determine their value. So by using the discriminant formula, we have b squared minus 4ac, wherein 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 0, and it will equal to 0. And since 0 is equal to 0, therefore this type of conic is a parabola. So now let's try this example. We have 4y squared plus 4y plus 4x squared minus 16x minus 60 is equal to 0. We can arrange this one with its standard form. we have 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 4y minus 16x minus 60 is equal to 0. Then, we need to find the value of our a, b, and c. So, which is, the value of our a is 4, and the value of our b is 0, the value of our c is 4. So, using the discriminant formula, we have b squared minus 4ac. By substitution, we will gonna have 0 squared minus 4 times 4 times 4, and it will equal to negative 64. Since our determinant is less than 0 and our a is equal to c, therefore, this conic is a circle. Now, let's try this another example. You can try this one and identify of what type of conic it is. So, we have negative x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. So, since it is already written in standard form, we can now able to find the value of our a, b, and c. So, the value of our a is negative 1, and our b is 0, and the value of our c is equal to 1. Using the discriminant formula, so we have b squared minus 4ac. By substitution, we have 0 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times 1. Therefore, it will be equal to 4. And since our discriminant is greater than 0, so this is a hyperbola type of conics.